In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the appearance settings in your Basecamp account to better suit your personal preferences. Whether you're spending hours each day working on Basecamp or just checking in occasionally, ensuring that the interface is tailored to your liking can make a surprising difference in your daily experience. Let's dive right in and see how you can adjust these settings with ease. To get started, take a look at the top right corner of your Basecamp interface. You'll see your avatar, which is essentially your profile picture. Clicking on this will open up a drop-down menu, offering you a selection of options. This menu is your gateway to a whole array of settings that will help you personalize your account. From this drop-down, you want to select Preferences, or a similar option if that's how it appears in your version. This will take you directly to the area where you can adjust how Basecamp appears to you. Once you're in the Preferences section, look for the Appearances or Themes section. This is where the magic happens. You'll notice three main options for your display theme. The first option is Always Light, which will keep your interface bright and well lit, regardless of the time of day. If you're someone who prefers to work with a bright screen all the time, this option will likely suit you best. However, if you're inclined towards a more subdued visual experience, which can be easier on the eyes, you might prefer the Always Dark mode. This is particularly beneficial for late-night work sessions, or if you're just someone who enjoys the aesthetics of a dark theme. For those who enjoy a dynamic experience that complements their computer settings, the Same as OS option is ideal. This setting allows Basecamp to automatically adjust its theme based on your operating system's settings. So, if your computer switches from light to dark mode, depending on the time of day or your preferences, Basecamp will mimic this transition to provide a seamless experience. But wait, there's more. Still within the same section, you'll find the option to choose a color accent or theme for your account. Here you'll have choices like purple, blue, green, orange, gray, and more. Selecting a color theme adds a personal touch to your Basecamp environment, allowing you to customize it even further beyond just light and dark modes. Once you've settled on your preferred settings, you can simply exit out of the preferences. The changes you've made will take effect immediately, meaning you can enjoy your new setup without the need for a single restart or refresh. And that's all there is to it. Personalizing your Basecamp account is a quick and straightforward process, but one that can significantly enhance your workflow and make your everyday tasks just that little bit more enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.